First of all, I'm going to grab the one guard, put it on my clipper with the lever down, so it's basically a 1.5, and I'm going to start right here and go about an inch above his ear and go all the way around with that length. Then we're going to create this guide down the middle, and then we're going to pull it up, and we're going to decide how long we want it, and then we're going to cut this top part, and we're essentially going to cut this whole middle section right here the same length, and then we're going to use this as a guide. When you come around to the back section, you're still going to take this middle mohawk section and you're just going to pivot around the back. And then once you get to this other side, then you're just going to comb the mohawk section over, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we just need to transition this part seamlessly. The most important part of this whole step is to not round with the head. So comb the hair down, and then you're sliding the comb up, and you're going to take a swipe with the clippers. Keep putting that comb through and swipe those clippers until you don't have any more hair to cut. You're going to do that around the whole ridge. We are just going to make a half circle right around the ear. We're going to bend the ear forward, connect that half circle with another half circle, and we're going to do a straight line all the way to the base, and then push the head forward and do a straight line in the back.